morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fit and fine. I hope everyone is doing great. So, kids, in our last session, we have finished with pronouns and reading activity. I hope now you are clear with pronouns. Pronoun is used in place of nouns. We have also started with reading activity. Again, we will revise, and today we'll start with new topic, paragraph writing. Shall we revise the reading activity? Let's start. Said again we will revising this reading activity. So let us read this magazine article and answer this question. Fun facts about animals. Cows have best friends and get upset when they are separated. Dolphins have names for each other. Ostriches can run faster than horses and some can roar louder than a lion. Pandas can fall asleep wherever they are. Red laughs when tickled. Elephants can smell water from very far away. Seahorses hold each other's tail when they travel. They are also the slowest fish in the world. Butterflies taste with their feet and they can see some colors that human beings can't. Sea otters hold hands when they sleep so that they do not drift away from each other in the water. Hummingbirds can fly backwards. Squirrels kept burying nuts and forgetting them. These nuts then grow into trees. Look at the question. Again, we'll revise this worksheet. Mark this statement as true or false. Answer these questions. Shall we start? Let's start. Again, we are revising worksheet 4.3. Mark this statement as true or false. First, horses run slower than ostriches. True. If you tickle a rat, it laughs. True. Seahorses are the fastest creature in the sea. False. A hummingbird cannot fly backwards. False. Squirrels are forgetful animals. True. B. Answer these questions. First, how do we know that cows and dolphins are friendly animals? Cows and dolphins are friendly animals as they have their best friend and they have names for each other. Second, if a lion and an ostrich roared, who would be louder? Ostrich roar would be louder than lion. Third, which animal can fall asleep wherever it wants? Pandas can fall asleep wherever they want. In which two ways are we different from butterflies? First, butterflies taste with their feet. Second, butterflies can see some colors that human beings can't. Fifth, why do sea otters hold hands when they sleep? Sea otter hold hands when they sleep so that they do not drift away from each other in the water. Kids, we have done with our reading activity. Please keep the habit of reading. Read again and again. It will improve your reading. Now we'll start with our paragraph writing. Paragraph writing means to write about any topic. See, it is not necessary to write a full one page. Paragraph writing means to write 10 to 15 lines, but it should be proper, appropriate, and it should be related to the topic. Shall we start with worksheet? Let's start. Already explained you about paragraph writing. Now we'll start with worksheet 4.6. Let us learn how to write a paragraph. A paragraph has many sentences about a single topic. There is a main idea, detail about that idea, and a wrap-up sentence. Now read this paragraph. Insects are tiny animals. They are everywhere. Some of my favorite insects are butterflies and bees. Insects can be both useful and harmful. Some insects help us by eating harmful insects and helping plants grow. Insects harm us because they can spread diseases and some can bite us to make us sick. Houseflies and mosquitoes are harmful insects. Now we'll solve this question. Complete this paragraph about bees. Use the information in the help box to complete it. We'll read the help box. Bees are insects. They help plants grow. They take pollen from one flower to another. Bees live in beehives on trees with one queen bee and many workers bee. Queen bee lay eggs, worker bees make honey and build the beehive. Look at this blanks, now we'll solve it. Shall we start? Let's start. We are starting with worksheet 4.6. I have already explained you about paragraph writing. Complete this paragraph about bees. Use the information in the help box to complete it. We have already read the information. So now we'll solve this. Bees are small dash that are very useful insects. They help dash plants grow. They take dash from dash to dash. They take pollen from one flower to another. Bees live in dash beehives. Thousands of bees live together in one beehive. Each beehive has a dash, one queen bee, who lays dash eggs. The rest of them dash and dash the dash. The rest of them make honey and build the beehive. Kids, we have done with the worksheet. We have read the paragraph about insect, how insects are useful and harmful to us. We have read about bees and we have solved the exercise. I'll end my session here. Please keep the habit of reading and you can practice paragraph writing at home. Till then, goodbye, stay safe, stay at home.